Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. What do you think about BSV? If you have bought at lower point like 200 USD, 250 USD, 300 USD. Let me give you small update on BSV, why you should hold this coin for a great profits. Here you can see as I am explained in so many videos, BSV is in a ranging mode, still in accumulation zone. Here you can see big resistance explained in 2-3 videos. 183 and 220 level is a bigger resistance for BSV. We need more volume to grow up, break out this bear zone. That's why it's consolidating below the resistance level. If you see long zone of accumulation zone, you can expect very huge amount of pump here. As I am saying, you can still hold or you can still buy BSV. Right now it's sleeping, yes it's sleeping, not performing well or nothing else here, but we can expect likely. Let me tell you what you can do here. On daily chart, it's a pure in accumulation zone. This week shows how buyers are interested to hold this support, and so many buyers are already bought this coin and not giving up and still holding this level. If this level breaks, you will not have time to retest this level again, because consolidation time zone is a huge, almost 248 days consolidating, 3-4 months consolidating, so we can expect huge move in just one day. Just be prepared if you're holding BSV. Don't call this coin as a shit coin. If you see long term, long days accumulation zone, just need one day to catch up 50% to 2x level gain zone. So keep in mind, if you're selling BSV, just hold your BSV for the 2x profits in no time. Just you have to keep patience, 1-2 months, whatever it takes here. But this support is holding very well, because last week is showing the strength of this support. So many buyers are trying to hold this support and still holding. You can see it's just consolidating between from the $110 as well as $170. It's not going below that level but trying to hold this level. It means so many buyers are trying to hold this level, and one day it can go 2x and 2.5x expected target. So never give up. If you are in loss, no problem, buy again in deep and hold this BSV, as I am expecting 300, 400, 500 dollar level. So if you are holding this trade, you can set your sell targets likely and hold for the more gains. Just don't go for the last target from the buying zone. Just split your sell targets on, as I said, 300, 400 and 500 levels. So you will be safe even deep point comes after hitting the 300 levels. Okay, that's it for today. Let's see in the next video.